Every summer, travellers from near and far make their way to Butte for An Rí Rá, the Montana Irish Festival. You can feel the excitement and camaraderie in the air as people of all ages and heritages join in the festivities and celebrate Butte's rich Irish roots. Attend an informational workshop, take a Gaelic language class, play traditional games and so much more. While enjoying the sights and sounds of one of Butte's most beloved annual festivals, grab a pint and a bite to eat from the local vendors. Then, watch talented dancers perform traditional Irish dance at the original Mine Yard stage and listen to a variety of Irish bands perform foot-stomping music that is sure to put you in a great mood. We hope to see you at An Rí Rá, the Montana Irish Festival.